Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY Guy, and are you using the proper battery tender for your modern car? Let's check it out. All right, y'all, so let's talk about this a little bit and the reason why I'm gonna be carrying this in my trunk now full time. Now, I had my car on what the old term would be as a trickle charger, a really old device that I'd had around for about 10 years because I was gonna be gone and out of town for a while and I didn't want my battery to die. So I wouldn't put it on my M2 here, which has a lithium ion battery, and it started to act a little bit weird. The charger was showing that it was like trying to charge, but there was an error and a bunch of other things that were going on. And I realized, wait a minute, I've got a 10-year-old charger and I've got a brand new type of battery in my car. I'm probably not using the right thing. So I had an opportunity to actually talk with the great folks at Battery Tender about my specific case and the fact that I've got multiple cars with multiple battery types, and they recommended this Battery Tender smart charger. Now the cool thing about this is that it's a two-in-one sort of product. So thankfully the days of jumper cables are pretty much gone. And you can now jump your car off of these, which is great. So you keep this in your trunk and you don't have to worry about jumper cables or finding someone to help or cross batteries. I don't know about you guys, but I'll be honest, every time I've used jumper cables many times over the years, I'm always nervous about it, right? I've seen jumper cables fail once and it was a nightmare. So the fact that you can take one of these, plug it in directly, plug it directly into the car and jumpstart your car is great with a smart charger like this.